Hello to all my friends out there. And so I was shopping like crazy today. And so I went to Food for Less and I just put all this food in a box that the ramen noodles came in. And so the first thing I bought was macaroni and cheese. And so the idea of this is I thought, you know how I was scurrying around for extreme markdowns on Christmas presents? I thought, why not get extreme markdowns on food? So I got 49 cents for the macaroni and cheese. And for the pudding, I got, let's see, 59 cents. I thought, I might want to make some more chocolate pies. And then, I got Markdown yogurt. And then this bacon was a really good deal. I bought this bacon Markdown for $1.79. This was at Food for Less. And then, those donuts were good. And so I checked around and I got the donuts with the longest expiration date for $1.29. And then I bought an assortment of top ramen. And so what I'm going to try to do is make some top ramens, and I'm going to add stuff to my top ramens and make some soup to go with my sandwiches. I bought this salami for $1, and I like salami. I put margarine on both sides of the bread, and then I put mustard. And I got a can of tuna, which is going to come in handy. 79 cents. That was really a good deal. And then I bought candy, and these candies were, let's see, 69 cents, because the other night we wanted candies and someone has taken one candy. No? Okay. So here is my list. And so this stuff cost me $10.49, and I will be eating this stuff, and I am going to try to do this markdown food shopping. When I'm in the grocery store, I'm going to be trying to locate food that is marked down. And so, okay, God bless you all. I'll be back.